One more video today. I ordered two Bluetooth speakers. One was like less than $2 and the other one was 3, I think. Both really on sale with a cut price. Usually they are above like $4. 5, 6, yeah, something like that. So let's see what they sent. I just cut open the box. I haven't opened it yet. So I can see, yeah, packing paper, more packing paper, and the two speakers. Yay! What? New pattern, music, mini speaker, mobile phone call. Alright, let's start with the smaller one. So, yeah, zoom in, because it's a smaller thing. And let's see. It's a really old Bluetooth version, 2.1, supports A2DP, AVRCP. Yeah, these are more common with Bluetooth headsets, those tiny ones that go into just one ear. Working range 10 meters, working time 5 hours, a quarter of a kilogram. 5 centimeter speaker? Oh yeah, that's the standard size. I've seen only a couple smaller ones, but yeah, this is the standard. It doesn't have low frequencies, just 280 and above. Oh, and it doesn't have really highs either, just to 16. Well, most humans can't hear above that, so yeah. Allegedly 500 milliamp hour battery, charge from any USB, battery charge time 2 hours. Okay. Well, to 100% it must be 2 hours, but most of the way you can charge it in less than one, usually. And here's the mini music speaker. Here's the QR code to do something. To read it in French. Okay. So, where is it? Was this opened before? It must have been. So here's a cable, micro USB, something in Chinese. I mean, really, in Chinese. It's got a micro USB, a card slot, a mode button, on-off button, previous and next. Okay, but that's useful. I didn't even have to read the the text. And this is as is. So, yeah. Wait. Auxiliary. So this is also line in if you have the proper cable. But I don't, so... This may mean something else. Headphone? What? I have to see about that. This is usually line in, not headphone. USB for flash drives, card slot, and microphone. Oh, and the buttons here, and on off. Okay, let's start it.
Bluetooth mode.
Ooh, that's nice. Light show and everything. Let's choose another mode. No?
FM mode.
Radio. probably out of battery. Let's push this in because it acts as an antenna. Why did it say power off? It didn't power off. Come on. It stopped, but the light is blinking for some reason. Let's switch it off and on again.
Bluetooth mode. FM mode. Power off.
Oh, it doesn't have any charge left. Okay. So we'll have to see about that. But yeah, it works nicely, I think. 3 watt, 4 ohm. Producers HD. Yeah, I have to try it out. The battery may be dead, but at least it seems functional. So, yeah, switch it off and let's see the other one. It's a mini speaker. Oh boy. The same tiny little dinky cable. The same Chinese instructions. But it's a bigger speaker. What? But it's damaged and has some sticky stuff on it and dirty and whatever. Yeah, it says the same thing. Manufacturing date 2020. So yeah, this is pretty much the same thing, but a bigger speaker, or just the frame is the frame is wider. You can see. Yeah, from this angle you can see that the speaker starts somewhere here. Just like this. Okay, so let's see if this one starts. It's already on. No. Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
Let's push this in and try to start the radio.
FM mode. Low battery. Please charge. Power off.
Oh yeah, so this says it. It's low battery. But it can't turn off. Just through the physical switch. So that's an interesting thing. Both have a low battery but still functional. So yeah. Maybe, yeah, I'll just pause the recording, charge it a bit and see if it works. And I'm back. So I just connected it to a USB. I don't think it matters if it's charged or not, as long as it's plugged in. So let's try turning it on.
Bluetooth mode.
Yes.
FM mode.
Sunt
Oh.
comun al campionului. Cameră plină de necurății.
Un déploiement avec un mandat. Weekend party. Pa' que baile mis songs en TikTok, tok, mamma mia. Sunt cum aș putea să-i uit privind. Știu că
Okay, so this works surprisingly well. So what I had to do was press this button. And then it searched all the radio stations, and then I can just switch between them. And also what is not documented, it's not written here either, this is the volume down, volume up. So yeah, that's what I've been pressing mistakenly. And yeah, for the radio you need a connected cable because it's an antenna. And yeah, this works. Let's see the other one too. So I switched it off. Did I? Where's the switch? Yes, it's off, but it can charge even when it's off. And it's heating up on the bottom. Maybe here's the battery. Interesting. So let's see the other one. It should work the same. But it has a headphone jack as a bonus. This one doesn't. Interesting. I wonder where that goes. I'll have to read some manuals because these don't have any information on them. So, what am I doing? Oh, turn it on and do the same procedure. On.
Bluetooth mode.
No, the other mode.
FM mode.
Yes. I did the same thing. I pressed this one. It doesn't want to search for the... Or maybe it muted itself. And that's how it searches. Oh.
Wish că mă uit.
I get it. You have to press and hold on this one. Now it's searching for all the... I assume it does this... It has to do this only the first time you turn it on. So yeah. Manufacturing date 2021. The other one is 2020. Okay, it's done.
La Radio România.
Totuși, vederea lui Dumnezeu.
Okay, so this is awesome. Both work. The radio signal is not excellent here, but yeah, they both work. Maybe they just have bad battery. That's what I assume because this one started heating up only after a few minutes of charging. And this one, this is also heating up. And I can feel it through this foam pad. So it must be heating up. So yeah, this was $2 and $3. And I just switch out the batteries with something big and strong. Like a Nokia battery that's 1000 milliamp hours. And it's a radio, MP3, and hands-free, and all the stuff. And they also look okay. Let's say they look okay. So yeah, this is nice. And also, because they have standard speakers like 4 ohm, you can also connect the electronics if you want to a bigger speaker. If you have something from an old radio or something that's also 4 ohm or maybe even 8, connect it and you have a radio for $2. And it sounds great because bigger speakers sound better than this small piece of crap. So yeah, that's all I wanted to see and to say about these. Just a couple of bucks, and it was 50% off for both. And yeah, maybe I'll tear them down in a different video.